Hello friends, welcome to STEM Hub. This is our second video. Okay, in this video, I want to introduce two LED concept that how to LED glow simultaneously for 1 second and then off for 1 second. Now let's start. Okay, first I take breadboard here, a small mini breadboard in which I use two LED, same color LED, red color. And friends, I used LED, you see that in this line. In this third part. Why I use this, I explained it later. Now I used one Arduino, that is a microcontroller, brain of the circuit here, and I used pin second number of pin, not 0, not 1, because we remain it for TX and RX. Leave it. We always start from second pin. Okay, now we start from second pin. This is the anode of the LED. This is the cathode of the LED. We already know that anode is the positive one, cathode is the negative one. No confusion here. Okay, and we also connect a resistor. Why we use a resistor? Because the supply voltage coming out from this RDN is actually of 5 volt. So we have to reduce it. Now we used it here 220 omega resistor. Okay, 220 omega resistor, 220 ohms. Then we take our GND pins. We make it common because two LEDs are there. So we only used one GND port and color it as black. It colors is green or red. We color it red, and the third wire we connect it to the anode of the second pin and color it orange. We use orange color for this jumper wire. Again, I use a resistor here, students or my friends. Why I use resistor here? To reduce the supply voltage. Okay, to reduce the supply voltage. 220 ohms or 110 ohms, it also works. Now I give negative supply from this point. It jumps this orange wire, no problem. Don't be confused with it that it cuts the orange wire. That's not actually cut, it jumps that wire. Now the connection is complete. My friends, be remember that while using this Tinkercad and when you go to coding section, be remember that pins. Here pin we used second number pin and third number pin. Now we come to coding section. We go to textual coding, not black block coding. Block coding is for small students. So we comes to textual coding to code it. First I write the command white setup. White is a command to set up function. Here setup is a command. And in this command we open that curly bracket. Then I write pin mode. M is capital, rest is small, and in pin mode I write 2 comma output. Here is output is also a command, semicolon, then again pin mode 3 comma output because I already used that third number pin. Okay, we remember it's very interesting. Now here you see I write it pin mode. This is a mistake. I have to improve this. I improve it. Then I close the curly bracket. I come to next level, white loop section. Student coding is very interested. If you take interest in coding, it is very interested. Now, right, I write again next function, digital write, and in digital write 2 comma high. Oh, I again close the bracket. No problem, it is a typing problem. Then I write a delay command. I discuss each and every command after typing this. Each and every command. Then I again write digital write. Why I again write digital write? I discuss it. Why I write 2 comma low. Again delay command 1000. Then close the bracket. But my friend here, two LED used second and third number pins we used. I here corrected also. So they glow simultaneously. Now I have to add one more command here. That command is also digital, right? But with third pin. Okay, third pin. And I have to again with third number pin. Okay, so 2323. Now let's understand this coding. First is I write white. White is a command, okay, to set up function. Here obviously setup is the function, but it is a command to set up any function. Then we come to pin mode 2 comma output, pin mode 3 comma output. These are also command instructions under setup command. Instruction, that is pin mode. Pin mode is means that declaring this pin mode, that this port is output, this port is input. That is here 2 number port is output, 3 number port is output of RDNO. It actually indicate this. Okay. When you see it indicate this second number pin, this third number pin. This indicate this. Then when we come to while loop function, I already said that while is a command to set up function. Here set as it is loop. Loop is a function. Now in loop, when you come to loop section, you see digital write. Digital write is actually just you understand that is actually a switch. Switch or condition is two. That is either on or is either off. So high means on, low means off. Okay, when the loop function activated, then first the second number and third number LED automatically on. And here the delay is 1000. 1000 it is understand as millisecond. 1000 millisecond is equals to 1 second. So it is on for 1 second. Then when we come to second, 2 and 3 low. After 1 second, it automatically switched off and it remain off for 1000 millisecond, that is 1 second, and then again this loop function activated. So student understand this. Very interesting commodity, very interesting this coding is there. If you take interest in coding, your future will be bright. Okay, so keep watching this STEM hub. We will meet with our next project. Keep watching. Thank you.